Baseline measuring is a great technique for long, straight distances where you need to take several measurements. In this example, we're using the side of the house with a couple windows. Unlike direct measuring where you measure each segment of something individually, baseline measuring has you mark points along a continuous line. Since you're not repositioning the tape for each measurement, there is less opportunity for errors using this technique. Here we are starting by aligning our tape measure along the side of the building, making sure it was level. Then we determined the measurements we needed to collect, such as edges of windows and edges of the house. Then we took baseline measurements for each of these points, starting at 0, 0 at the edge of the house. The edge of the first window was at 1 foot 3 inches from the edge of the house. The other side of that window was 7 foot 10 inches from the same edge of that house. We continued taking these measurements until we reached the other side of the house at 20 foot 0 inches. It's important to note that each measurement in baseline measuring is a distance relative to your starting point at 0, 0, not the length of the segment itself. Again, make sure to record your measurements on a sketch, an aerial image, or the scaled graph paper that we provided in this course. To draw your measurements on your scaled base map, start by establishing your baseline. Here we have the building footprint with our baseline already drawn. Line up the 0 mark of your ruler on the same 0 point you used to measure on site, and mark the points along your baseline. Once the points are measured, you can go back with a pen or pencil and denote walls with a thick line and windows or doors with a thin line.